Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your EA account to a new PC, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your EA account to a new PC, start by turning on your new computer. Install the EA app if you haven't already. You can download the EA app from the official EA website. Once the download is complete, open the EA app. Sign in using your existing EA account credentials. If you don't remember your password, use the password recovery option. After signing in, you'll see your game library. Make sure your previous games are available in the library list. Next, you'll need to download the games you want to play. Click on the game you wish to download and select the download option. Wait for the game to install on your new PC. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game. If prompted, you may need to link your game console accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. If you have any saved game progress, ensure it's backed up from your old PC. Use cloud saves if available, to easily access your progress on the new PC. After everything is set up, test the game to make sure it runs smoothly. If you encounter any issues, check for updates in the EA app. You can also visit the EA support page for troubleshooting tips. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your EA account to your new PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.